Hello, how's it going, guys? Hwyl, sy'n my talk, gwasanaeth Cysylltiedig. Hwyl's here again from Denbighshire Youth Service. I'm back. Hey, how's it going? I'm just going to quickly start the session, as we always do, with some house rules. This is session 20, by the way. 20 of these we've done. How cool is that? So the house rules are, we operate these in the same ways we would operate any of our ordinary youth work provisions all across the county ordinarily, as we usually would, but now we can't, I'm afraid, during this lockdown. So it's about respecting each other, respecting each other's comments, and no funny business and no swearing in the comment section. But I don't have to tell you guys this. You've all been very well behaved so far. Even the youth workers have been well behaved, which is a surprise. Also, note to the Welsh, not yn i'r Gymraeg, so mae'r sesiwn yma I gyd yn ddwyieithog. Mae'n groeso iddi chi gyrru negeseuon yn y Gymraeg neu'n Saesneg. Na I gyfieithu nhw a rhywun o do allan, so mae pawb mynd cymryd rhan. So yeah, these sessions are bilingual, fully bilingual. Please do send your messages in either Welsh or English. I'll translate them and I'll put them right back out there so everybody can take part. Today's show, what are we doing? Who do we have? Who would like to keep bringing your messages in? I see people saying, Elio, hello, Emily. Oh, Emily, right, we'll get to Emily in a minute. Matthew, good to see you, Matthew. Morgan, Jess, Charlotte, guys, keep sending your messages in. Let me know what you've been doing on this beautiful, beautiful day. The sun is beaming out there. Those of you who are lucky enough to have gardens, those of you, please, this more important than ever during this beautiful, beautiful weather, because ordinarily during Easter, as we all know in Britain, it rains. And of course, now we're all on lockdown, the sun is beaming. The irony, right? But please do keep taking advantage of your daily exercise, your allotted amount of daily exercise time, and go for those walks. Find nature, take different routes, open your eyes and see what's out there, stare up at the sky, take in that sun, Don't be just sitting in your houses watching people do live streams on YouTube. No, but yeah, man, definitely do it. If you've got a garden, I recommend at 6:30, go and make yourself a nice cup of tea or something cold and sit in the garden and just soak up the last of these sun rays. Who else do we have with us today? We have, Sarah. Hello, Sarah. Mikey, Joe, Jess, Kelly, and Claire. Oh, Claire. Hello. It's a long time no see, Claire. Good to see you. Happy Friday, says Claire, and happy Friday, says Charlotte. Oh, hello, Charlotte. How's it doing? Right, okay, so on with the show. What do we have today? Well, I'm back. Oh, what did we think of Cheryl yesterday? Wasn't she fab? Wasn't she brilliant? She did a great job. We will be seeing more of Cheryl, and we will be seeing more of the wonderful Denbighshire Youth Service team in general over the next however long it may be. She was absolutely brilliant, says Morgan. She absolutely was. And we've got more brilliant youth workers spread all across the county, itching to come on here. And I've been hogging the screen a little bit, to be fair. So it's time to get some other familiar faces, familiar to you, faces out there. So we're perhaps on Monday. Oh, in fact, on Monday, let's do a meet the team thing. We'll get another face on here. Maybe that other face can come and connect with us and share some ideas of what they've been doing during lockdown and potentially set their challenges, gearing up to get some more youth workers onto this platform. Because I think it's working exceptionally well. The numbers are creeping up, the community is building, you're all doing your jobs, it's brilliant. So once again, diolch yn fawr iawn, Cheryl. Thank you very, very much, Cheryl. You were fantastic yesterday. And we look forward to your next session next week. Yeah, next session next week. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so what are we doing today? It's Fun Friday. Remember that. We needed to come up with a hand signal. It's Fun Friday. But we also, the cakes. Oh, diolch Hwyl, says Cheryl. Croeso, Cheryl. The cakes, those of you who remembered, I think it was on Monday or was it last Friday, we spoke about this cake off challenge. And you've been sending me in your pictures, your cake pictures. Bing! I have them. I've also got my cake and mine and my own young people. I have two of my own young people's cakes creations here. I have them down here. Let's get that out the way first. Let's do the cakes. We've also got today's show. I mentioned to you earlier, Emily is watching. Emily is one of our young volunteers, one of our young leaders. And she will be coming on today to do her film review. So I don't know, we do a film review on Thursday, I think. And Cheryl muscled in on our show yesterday and has completely taken away the order of the week. So we're going to do that today. So we've got Emily coming on in about 10 minutes, giving her suggestions, film reviews, or in fact, she's going to do television series reviews, because it was film and TV, remember? Sorry, Cheryl, that was only a joke. You were fantastic, fabulous. Looking forward to seeing you again next week. It was, do you know, it was weird for me, actually, sitting at home watching. I wasn't commenting. I didn't want to dive in and spoil the fun, but I did watch, and I thought it was brilliant. Well done again, Cheryl. Right, okay, cakes, right. What do we have? Right, I've got cakes, and I think this is the easiest way to do it. I think I've got 6 cakes. Oh, I've got 5 cakes, sorry. Well, really, I've got about 40 cakes, because Joe, well done, Joe, has sent me 1 million cakes pictures. So from cheese and onion pies to bakewells, tons of them, absolutely tons of them. So I'm going to just give you a snapshot of Joe's, and we'll count that as one, okay, as one entry. Learn from the master, Will. So, come on, Cheryl. Oh, come on now. I don't know about that. Jack of all trades, master of none. That's what I am. Right. It's an old-fashioned saying for you, if anybody remembers old things. Okay, cakes. So, if I show you the 5 cake suggestions that we've had sent in, remember they were lockdown themed. That was what we said. So, it was cake off, bake off, DCC cake off, bake off. We never came up with a snappy title, did we? And I'll show you the 5, and I'll assign each of them a number, and then we'll move on to do the film TV review, and then we will come back to do we'll vote for the cakes things. And then I've got a fun, because it's Fun Friday, we've got to have a bit of fun. We've got to have a bit of fun on a Friday. I've got a little game lined up for you, really, really fun game at the end. So please keep tuned in. Let's see now. Claire says, before we show these cakes, maybe you could do a masterclass with your mums. Right. Well, Joe is our resident master baker. She has, as it happens, made us a masterclass baking video. I need to just get it edited and sent it out there. So that's coming very, very soon. And I know I've mentioned it before, but I am getting it. And we will have Joe's cooking corner. Oh, there. Oh, see, everything has to have a snappy title in my world. So Joe's cooking corner is coming soon. Keep your eyes peeled. Right, let's get onto these photos then before I forget. And I digress. I digress all the time, don't I? Okay, so here is cake suggestion 1. And this was sent in by Jess. I'm not entirely sure it is. I think it's a cheesecake. But can you see that? That was Jess's. So suggestion number 1, lockdown themed cheesecake. Yes, love it, they said. Oh, I like that, says Joe. Oh, hey, Joe's here. Hey, Joe. Right, we'll get to Joe in a minute. Okay. Oh, where are we? Oh, you know what? There's always one. Here's Tyddyr's suggestion. Where is he? I know he's hiding today. Here's Tyddyr's suggestion. It's a biscuit on a plate. That's his lockdown-themed cake. So that's suggestion number 2. There's always one. Has to spoil it for everybody. Dianted. And he's used a plate with a crack in it. Yes, come on. All right. Yummy. Are you saying yummy to Tyddyr's biscuit on a plate? I think it was a plain hobnob. That was his suggestion anyway. Yeah, well done. Yeah, well done, Morgan says. Right. I'm going to show you a snapshot now. But all of this is entry number 3. This is most of Joe's. I didn't show them all. So she's done some, I believe they are Viennese swirls. Am I right? Viennese swirls. A massive cake thing. Joe, put in the comment sections what these things are. Another cake thing. A big pie. Check out that for a pie. I told Joe, after all this is over, I'm moving into her house. Some scones. All these are entry number 3, remember? Right, but I believe this is her real entry. I think she was just showing off with the other ones. Right, so lockdown-themed cakes. This is Joe's entry, number 3. And they're like cupcakes that say NHS on them. How colourful and beautiful are they? Aren't they cool? Oh, I'm reliably informed there was an orange drizzle cake and Viennese swirls. What did I say? Didn't I say Viennese? Oh, Viennese whirls, not swirls. They look beautiful. Joe, I'm moving in. When all this is over, you've got a new lodger coming in. So that was entry 3, Joe's NHS cupcakes with the rainbows, buttons, and what have you. Right. We've got one here. Elio and Mia O. Ellie and Mia O have sent us their lockdown. Remember, it was a lockdown-themed cake-off thing, right? So if you can see, they've got a cake there, but it's behind bars. And then they put a plate in front of it saying, lockdown with us, stay connected. And the creator of the show says we should stay connected. The creator of the name of the show. Need to get that out there as a legal statement. I'm not sure what the cake is, but it's covered in icing and it looks delicious and it's hiding behind some bars. So let's see what you're thinking of that. Jess was a chocolate. Where's it gone? Jess, where are you? Jess. Oh, mine was a chocolate cheesecake. Chocolate cheesecake. Number 1, Jess, chocolate cheesecake. Sorry, Wills, but Joe said that she's gonna move in first. No, forget it. I'm in there. No problem. Oh, all right. Hey, wait. My suggestion. Suggestion number 5. Right. To me, lockdown has more than ever, and I've mentioned it on a few. Oh, lemon drizzle was Elio's. I mentioned it on a few of these sessions now. And that opportunity. Oh, I did in the beginning of the session as well. Having that opportunity to go out and look at nature in a different way. And it's been really, really good for my well-being. It's been good for my family. We kind of reconnected on these kind of nature walks and stuff. And I think I showed to you guys on the, let me just get this open again. I think I showed to you guys on this a couple of weeks ago that I found a lizard in the garden. And there's the picture of my little lizard. He was just outside my front door. I didn't know there were lizards around here because usually you're not taking in your surroundings, you're not like really taking them in. And I found this little lizard. So for our lockdown-themed cakes here in Casa de Hwyl, we did nature-inspired cakes. I'll try and angle these up now. Let's have a look. Right. Hold on. So we've got one here with a little lizard on it. Ooh, can you see? Ooh, little lizard. Ooh, one with a butterfly. Check that out. Ooh. And one with a rainbow. But we only have 3 colours. So check it out. Those are my lockdown-themed cakes. Number 5. Delicious. So yeah, that was so those are the cakes. So number 1 was Jess with a chocolate cheesecake. Tits was Tits is number 2 with his plain hobnob on a plate with a crack in it. Dion Tits. Joe was the NHS cupcakes, which with the little thingies, NHS rainbow thingies. Ellie's was the lemon drizzle cake in a cage with the sign in front of it. And mine was a nature-themed lizards and butterflies and what have you. So we'll leave the votes until the end. You've got time to think now. Let's see what we got. They're all seriously delish. White chocolate heaven on a plate. Yes, absolutely, says Claire. Well done, Claire. Thank you guys for the lovely comments, says Joe. Oh, sorry, Joe, I missed most of your comments. Am I going all sketchy and weird? Mouth moving out of time. It feels like it is. We'll carry on. Very creative, Wills. Oh, thank you, Sarah. Diolch yn fawr. Amazing, well done. Ellie says, I think you're in the wrong profession, Wills. Yes, you're right. I should be a TV presenter. I should have my own baking show or something. No, I love my job. This is literally the best job in the world, being a youth worker. Best job in the world. No 2 days are the same. One day you're smashing eggs on your head. The next day you're baking cakes. What I mean, suits me down to the ground. Right, so cakes aside, let's get on to the serious business. Can't have me on here blabbing all day. Diolch best, da iawn, she says. We need to phone our guest for today. Today's guest is Emily. Emily is one of our fantastic young leaders. And when all this is over, any of you young people who want to come and join in and volunteer in your local youth provision, open access youth club, whatever it may be, then the Young Leaders Programme is a good first step into a career in youth work, or just to help your community and help your youth club survive and move forward and learn some amazing things, meet some amazing people. It's brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. But Emily has been one of our young leaders for forever. And she's coming on now to do this evening's film review or TV review. So bear with me a second while I find her. Where is she? Oh, I've lost her. Bear with me a sec. Oh, this is great, isn't it? Oh, here she is. Sorry. Here she is. Emily, if you're watching, get ready. Here it comes. I'll turn the volume up or we won't know where we are. Right. Oh, here we go. Hey! Hello!
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
I forgot to brief everybody beforehand. Hold on. I forgot to brief everybody on your pink hair situation.
Oh.
It's looking good. There we go. Way! Good job, mates. Very impressive. I need to do my hair.
You.
Look at me. Oh, crikey. I look like a Elvis dragged through a hedge or something. Right. Oh, hold on. Emily, bear with me a second. My screen has gone off. Bear with me a second. It's always technical difficulties here. Oh, no. What have I done? Oh, no. Right. Bear with me a second. Everybody who's watching, you can still see me, but I can't see you. That's something now. Hold on. Right. Bear with me a second. So, Emily, while we're waiting for me to get technically connected, you can physically start talking to us and tell everybody, woof, what are we doing today?
I'm going to be reviewing 2 TV series for you guys.
Yes. Cool.
So, let's start with the first one.
Please do. Absolutely.
It's a program on, I think it's Channel 4, called Hunted. I think there's 4 or 5 seasons of it. Basically, what it is it's a group of ordinary people, selected from all around the UK, who become fugitives for 28 days and have to try and evade capture.
Yeah, I've heard of this. I've never seen it, but I have heard of it.
I think it's a brilliant program. It's definitely, as soon as you start watching it, it's just like.
Is it like addictive TV type stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. Bit of binge watching. Sounds good to me. So with our tradition here now on the show on the session, out of 5 Gwener cows, how many cows are we giving it?
4.5 Gwener cows.
Oh, 4.5 Gwener cows. Brilliant. Okay, well that's highly recommended then, isn't it? Yeah. What's your second show?
It's called Driving School of Mum and Dad on Sky One.
Okay.
And it's basically the young people get a week to get 5 days to learn to drive with their parents.
Yeah.
And at the end of that, they take a mock test and then their actual test.
Ah, cool. Oh, sounds good. And what are the successes like? Do people actually get through it, or?
Not necessarily, but disclaimer here.
Oh.
It makes driving look so hard. Trust me.
Yeah.
Driving is the funnest. Learning to drive is the funnest thing ever. For all of you that are going to learn to drive, don't let it put you off.
You've passed your test now, haven't you?
Yeah. I have.
Yes. Congratulations. When did you pass your test?
In September.
Brilliant. Fantastic. Well done, you mate. So we forgot to get the cows. How many cows for the driving school?
4, definitely.
Oh, 4 moos. Oh, that's brilliant. Hey, Emily, I'll just tell you, people are saying, you've got hellos here, you've got fans here, you've got Charlotte saying hi, Ali saying hi, Sarah saying love the hair, Charlotte says great hair, Claire saying, oh, Ellie rocking the pink, Matthew says hello, says hi, let me see, you should dye your hair blue next, says Matthew.
Oh, I've done it blue before, it went green, I'm not doing it again.
Oh, that's a fab series, says somebody. I think they're referring to the first one. Oh my God, I've watched the celebrity one with Toff from Made in Chelsea. Oh, I don't know that. Or the driving Toff. Or the... I've not seen that. I've not watched any of it. Oh, cool. Well, that got a 4 cows. 4 Gwener cows for... 4 Gwener cows, if anybody's interested. Emily, thank you very, very much for coming on and sharing your thoughts with us. Oh, before you go, did you see the cakes?
I did.
Who's got the best cake?
Oh, I have to say, I really like Elio and Mia's, if that's the name.
Yes, Elio and Mia. The cake in a cage.
I think it was.
Cake in a cage. Brilliant. Right, so there's 1 vote for you, Elio and Mia. We'll get on with the voting now. Diolch am fod ar y sesiwn heno. Emily, thank you very, very much. We'll catch up with you soon. Bye. Say bye to everybody. Bye. High five. Right, so yeah, that was those are Emily's suggestions. And they were good ones as well, I think. Oh, everyone's saying, Ellie says thank you for the I'm thinking of saying thank you for the vote, Ellie. Yeah, well, there you go. You heard it here live tonight. Elio and Mia's cake is in the lead at the moment with 1 vote. So now's the time. Let's get your votes in. I will refresh for you. Jess was where's my device? Here it is. Jess was the chocolate. Hold on a second. What? Here we go. Jess is the chocolate cheesecake. Well, that's what she says it is. Joe, so that was number 1, is Jess. So if you want to vote for Jess, you put number 1. Number 2 was Tydyr's hobnob on a cracked plate. I think it's like quite arty, like an art installation. Who else do we have? Oh, we had Jo with her 1 million baking suggestions, but I believe her entry was the NHS cupcakes. We had Elio and Mia's lemon drizzle in a cage with a sign. That was number 4. Number 4 is Elio. 3 was Jo. 4 was Elio. And 5 was my nature-inspired lizard, butterfly, and 3-coloured rainbow. Hasn't quite got there yet. Delicious. I'll have them for my tea later. So get your voting on. So far, Elio and me are in the lead with 1. I should say, Emily, you're getting praise here. Charlotte says, thank you, you're a star. Kelly says, thanks, Emily. I find it hard to watch something, or hard to find something. So I'll definitely watch those now. So there you go. This is the whole point of these. We share ideas. We share the things that are getting us through this period. And if we find something good and useful, then that's what we should do. We should share it, and we should stay connected, right? And share stuff. Elio defo gets my vote, says Cheryl. Elio, you're on 2. Kelly says, where's mine? I would have won. Hey, you didn't send me one. Did you? Oh, you didn't send me one. Oh, I don't think you did anyway. My vote goes to the cheesecake, says Kelly. Looks like a flag of Lithuania. Yeah, it does actually. Yeah, I know, you're spot on there. Right, hold on now. Who was number 4? Elio and Mia. There's another vote, and there's a vote for Jess, a vote from Jo to Elio. My vote goes to Jo on the NHS, says Elio. Oh, you're a star, you are. Yes, I did, says Kelly. Kelly, apologies. How did you send it to me? What platform did you send it to me? I seem to have missed that one. We may have to have a recount. Matthew says the 3-colour rainbow I'm talking about. I know exactly what you're talking about. I only had 3 colours. I only had yellow, green, and red. So, yay, Lithuania! If that indeed is the colours of their flag, I'm not entirely sure. Charlotte says number 4, NHS cupcakes. That was a number 3, actually, Charlotte. But, Elio says, thank you. Yours was fabulous. Chocolate cake. So I would say now, stop the press. There's been no votes for me. There's been no votes for Tydyr, unsurprisingly. 1 for Jess, and I'm thinking we've got a handful for Mia and Elio's and a handful for Joe's. but I'm going to do a quick count. Elio is number 4, and if you're looking at the screen the way I am, I'm seeing 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So the winner of the cake show is Elio and Mia. So well done, guys. Carry on. Kelly, apologies. Please do, if you have sent me an image of your cake, please tell me where you sent it to, and I will try and find this so I can show it. Really sorry about that, but I don't seem to have received it. So yeah, Elio and Mia, da iawn chi, cake in a cage, and the message saying connected. So well done, yeah, everyone's saying well done, guys, good job. Everybody did a fantastic job. I only wish that we were able to taste them as well, because I'm sure mine was, I'm sure mine would taste absolutely fantastic. And I'll get to find out later, but I really, really would have liked to have had a slice of Jess's chocolate cheesecake as well, because cheesecake is my favorite. Well done, guys, says everybody. Well done, everybody. They were all great, says Joe. Joe, they were all great. They were fantastic. And Joe's masterclass cooking will be coming on here soon. What did I call it earlier? I gave it a snappy title. Joe's Cooking Corner, coming soon. Because I'm sure we could all learn a lesson or two from Joe on how to cook these amazing creations. Mine is really just decorated, if I'm honest. I cheated a little bit. I bought the cake and decorated it with fondant. Right, well done, everybody. Right, okay. On to the next thing. Right, okay, so what are we on now? We are getting close to the wire here. We're running out of time. So let's run this one really, really quickly. Bit of Friday fun. What I have for you, you may have seen this before, but we are going to do it. We're going to have a go here. It's going to sound mental, but please stay involved. Stay involved. Competition. We like a little game, don't we? Like a little quiz. So I'm going to read song lyrics of a popular song, but I'm going to read them backwards. Not as in I'm going to go, not like that. I'm going to read the actual words, but in reverse order. It will all make sense. When you recognize the song, bang it in the comment section and then you win that point, okay? So, I better take a drink first. Are you all on board with this game? I'm going to read you song lyrics in reverse. It'll all make sense when I start. Well done, guys, says Cheryl. Yeah, well done to everybody for the cakes. It was really, really good. Brilliant thing to do. I will definitely do something like that again. Morgan says, yeah, Morgan would say, yeah, you know what he's like with a quiz. He storms through all these quizzes. Well, we'll see how he gets on with this one. So we've got a few of you watching here now. What a superb effort, says Claire. Well done, everyone who made the effort. I'm so impressed. I love Emily's piece tonight. Yeah, Emily was spot on. Top way to finish on a Friday evening. Way. Hold on, Claire. Have you not been paying attention? We're playing a game now. We're not finished yet. We're going to do a quick game. I'm going to read you song lyrics in reverse, and I'm going to see if you can guess what the song is. It's as simple as that. Right, let me start with this one here. Okay, ready? Right. Excuse me. Right, here it comes. I'll try and read the words in reverse and watch the screen at the same time. See if you can get this song, okay? Right, here we go. It over I'm, boy that forget. Quit, it's call to years long foretook. Babe, did I take it? Faking ain't she hope. Sex better getting she hope. I, it over I'm, boy that forget. No, admit I'll me hurt that. Yay. Chick other some with love in her head. X my two out shout is it that. No, we're not getting that one yet. Not Justin Bieber, Kelly. I will continue. I will continue at the chick other some with love in her. Oh, Joe's got it. I think it was Joe. Yeah, no, it was Elio. Joe, you were beaten by Elio again tonight. It was shouts out to my ex, but it was Little Mix. But Elio got in there first. It's a mental game, isn't it? I sound like a lunatic reading them out. Okay, here's another one. How about this one for you? Ready, guys? So, Elio, well done. You you know what, you're a super young person. You get involved in everything, and mainly everything you get involved in, you win. Morgan, I'm disappointed in you this evening. Come on, pop it up. Right, here we go. Right. Next song. Oh, I nearly said the title. And what am I doing? Right. I'm going to say random words backwards, and you're all going to think I'm insane. And then I will stop and look at the screen to see if anybody's got the answer. Right. Claire's still with us. Die on, Claire. Right. Here comes the second one. And then we'll probably call it a day for that then. Ready? Singing place there over all can your kicking. Disgrace, big you face. You're on mud, got you. Someday man, big A-B gunner. Street there in playing. Noise, big A make. Oh, Sarah! What song though, Sarah? These O's are doing well. What song, Sarah? Yeah, we will rock you. Right, you know what? You O's are driving me nuts. You're too good. You're too good. Right, that'll be it for this evening then. Did you like that quiz thing, by the way? Freddie Mercury says, Joe, yeah, spot on. We love a bit of Freddie. If you like that song, when we've got more time, I'll do some more of them. Well, because that seems to work quite well then. Yeah, says Sarah. Absolutely, I'm on board with that. I love Freddie Mercury. Love everything about Queen. Brilliant, but fantastic band. And the first one was Little Mick. Shout out to my ex. All one in the O household this evening. Well done, O. Well done, O's. Right. Great stuff. Okay, yeah, we'll carry on with that again. Just for me to say, this coming Monday, we'll have a little bit of a meet the team thing. We'll get a new face on here. I'll still be on the show as I am here now on the session, delivering the session, but we'll get a new face to come on like that, and we'll have a chat and get to see some different faces. That was a suggestion from one of our workers today, so that worker will be the first on. And another thing about staying connected, guys. All of the information for all of your youth workers is out there now on Facebook and Twitter, and they're being shared around by the school. So once again, thanks to the high schools in Denbighshire for sharing those around. I know Bryn Hyfryd have just retweeted and reshared our post with our staff team. So diolch yn fawr iawn I chi, thank you very, very much for that. Really important that we get that message spread around the county to other young people as well, so they can see these familiar faces and go, oh, I know him, that's that. Oh, I know her, she's from our youth club. So, yeah, Claire, you're miles late. Dua Lipa, what are you talking about? So, yeah, really important that we keep spreading that message and sharing that message and keep this community built up and keep that support network for any and all the young people that want to use it across Denbighshire. So if you know of any young people who you think would benefit from this, or connecting with the youth work team and their specific youth workers, all the information is available on our Facebook and Twitter pages with our email addresses and phone numbers, so we can do WhatsApp messaging and video calling and all those wonderful things. And of course, continue to do these sessions, which is all like a bit of a virtual youth club, you know, helping people stay connected as well. So yeah, that's it. That's me for this evening. Thank you all very, very much for watching. We will be back on Monday with more madness and more shenanigans, as we always are. I hope you have a lovely evening. Now, please do take advantage of the sun. I'm pointing at the sun over there. Please do take advantage of the sun. Go out, get that vitamin D, if that's what you get from the sun, into you, and relax. I will see you all Monday. Thanks, guys. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Bye.